Good morning, YouTubers. This is Bob in Uptown Charlotte in my humble studio apartment. I'm going to figure out somehow to get more views. I'm not getting any views, so there might be a problem with that. Anyway, today I want to talk about chiropractors. I went to one yesterday, had my neck adjustment, also down in my hip area. Now, I want to, talk a little bit about chiropractors. Most people either call them quacks, they say it doesn't work, they'd rather go to orthopedic or neurologists, sometimes getting unnecessary surgeries on their spine, that they could have gone to a chiropractor and gotten it taken care of. I used to think that chiropractic medicine, when you go to one, is nothing but a band-aid. After a period of time, you have to go back. Chiropractic medicine has changed over the years. I think really personally, any medical field improves over the years. Really at this present time, many medical facilities now are referring their patients to chiropractors, where it used to be none of them would. Physical therapy, that worked for me some. However, spinal-wise, a lot of that would keep coming back. Mainly because in my x-ray that the chiropractor took, and this is Randolph Chiropractic, by the way. I'll give them a little plug over on Randolph Road. Let me get some coffee, and believe me, I'm cutting down my caffeine too, guys. This is a 50-50, so I don't get the charge I used to. Okay, they took an x-ray, and they found that my right in certain areas, my spine was tilted a little bit, and it would kind of go down a little bend. Also, the way it looked, which I already knew, it was causing a lot of stress on the left side. That's why my neck and also down in my lower back on the left-hand side was sore. So he gave me a neck adjustment. Also did a little hip work. Now, what else he may do later on, I really don't know. I personally like to have my whole spine aligned. We'll wait and see where he's going with that because I'm not a chiropractor. A lot of people have a lot of fear going to a chiropractor. They're afraid that they'll hurt them. A lot of times, some of the things they do may be scary. The thing that I learned when I go in there is being honest with the chiropractor. If it's your first time, tell them you're a little bit nervous. The chiropractor is going to work with you. He'll do calming measures. He may just do a little light adjustment for the first time to kind of let you get a feel of it. Be a little more, aggressive the next time you come in. Now, when I say aggressive, it doesn't necessarily mean that they're going to hurt you. For me, I'm used to having my neck done on the table laying back. This chiropractor was kind of interesting. He did it with me standing up. And to be honest with you, when he did it, he got a great pop. Pop, 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 pop. And that was the air pockets that develop in that vertebrae, and it can cause all kinds of problems with proper movement and proper alignment. So when he does that, what he's doing is this cervical is starting to straighten up a little bit. Also, it's going to take what am I trying to say? My anatomy here. It's going to be the disc, okay, so that they don't really press down in the spongy part of it in there. I call it shock absorbers. They get a little narrow and they'll start pressing on the nerve just a little bit. He seems to think with me it's not quite that bad. It's just more that it's out of alignment, so it causes some stress right in this area here. Now, back to chiropractors. I think a lot of them have gotten bad raps, but I will say that there's no other doctor out there that'll actually do the work they do and specialize on the spine itself. I'll repeat that. They're the only doctors out there that actually work on the spine itself. Neurologists and orthopedic doctors will only give you cortisone shots and give you a lot of pain medications you become addicted to. I choose now not to take any of those medications like hydrocodone and some of the other narcotics. I don't like the way they make me feel. As a matter of fact, I'm the type of person that I have a beer in the refrigerator. It's been in there now for about a month and I hadn't even drank it. So I'm the type of person that doesn't like to be drugged up unless I'm going through a real severe surgery where I'm going to be in a lot of pain. Let's talk about surgery. A lot of doctors will do surgery on the spine. A lot of times it doesn't help. Sometimes it can cause more problems. Had you gone to a chiropractor and have him or her work on your spine to get it aligned properly, you wouldn't have any of those problems. Now, another thing that a chiropractor will tell you, and it's interesting, I have done some research on it, and I've asked you to research. Go on YouTube and put chiropractors in there. Check out different type of styles and techniques they use to fit the one that you like. A lot of times I'll Google it and go in there and see what the reviews are and what other patients have to say about it. Now, let's talk about chiropractors and how they can help your health. Most of the time, the way our spine is can cause problems with the nerves that feed out to the blood system and specific areas of the body that can cause problems with our health. If we have a healthy spine, we'll have a healthy body. Of course, there's other things such as nutrition and exercise that helps also. So I guess what I'm going to do is I'm going to say, don't be scared. Go to your nearest chiropractor. Get help. There's no sense in being in pain. Get off that little roller coaster that you're on with neurologists and also orthopedic doctors. The only thing I say that they can do for me is, one, give me a referral to a chiropractor. Two, if indeed there's something serious enough to where surgery is necessary, like a ruptured disc, a lot of times even chiropractors, depending on how bad it is, will refer you to a surgeon. So anyway, thanks for watching. I hope this helps you a little bit and takes the fear a little bit out of going to see a chiropractor. Have a nice day.